Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. So I will put dt and t go to the right, negative b go to the left. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, 1 divided by t, 2t divided by t. And now we have the final answer. The integral of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of b. The integral of 1 over t, we have ln of the absolute value of t. Number 2, that is about 2t, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.